Very good victory indeed.
Vai, parla.
It is the first victory of Sardinian people. And we want to give to you as present because they give us, this victory give us the power to go straight to freedom and peace for our territory.
We're happy to receive this.
Thank you.
This, on behalf of Veterans for Peace, we will take this back to the United States. And this is, so the people of
The date was 15 and 16 May 2011.
This is the people
6
of
months
Sardinia
ago.
showing,
Yes,
people
win.
of Sardinia showing a good example for the whole world.
Yes, yes.
Because,
For a world nuclear free.
Nuclear free world.
Yes, yes,
Thank you very much. We're honored.
yes. No, thank you, and you.
So happy.
We will make sure to share this with many people.
That's right, we will.